What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the garage. Welcome back to my channel. So this is a 2005 350Z Roadster. As you can see, I just picked this up. This car is mint. It literally has 30,000 miles on it, and as you guys know, these cars didn't come with backup cameras, don't have CarPlay, so I'm going to be installing a backup camera and a new stereo, as you can see here. But the purpose of this video is basically to show you guys, right? There's a lot of videos out there about the backup cameras, but people drilling holes, people tapping into like hard places. I'm going to show you exactly where to do it and how quick it is. So I picked up one of these. You can see here, this is the lens that was here for the license plate. This thing literally takes the place of that. All right, there's one on this side, there's one on this side. So that's going to be where the camera is going to be. All right, and right behind here, there's a grommet. See the grommet right here? Right here. So this rubber grommet, right, as you can see here, here's the RCAs for the backup camera. It literally just pops right through. Just remove this grommet, and you slide the cables through here, and then you're good to go. Put that back, and then you got your waterproof. You don't have to worry about drilling holes. And then when you guys are ready to tap into your reverse light, let me get this right here. Where are we? There we are. So this is where the grommet is. See this light green wire right here? The light green. And get a little closer. That light green wire, that's your reverse lamps. So basically, literally right over the license plate, the grommet's right there, and your reverse lamp is right here. As you can see, that's your reverse lamp, the light green. Just tap into that and you're good to go. Very simple, nice, easy, clean job. If you guys are interested in checking out the video once I have it installed, I'm going to do another video. I'm not going to do a video of the actual installation of the radio because there's plenty of those out there. But please like and subscribe so that way you can get more notifications. I appreciate your time. Thank you. Catch you next time.